Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Narayan. Guys, today was a 11th video of learning English through online through other social media accounts. So guys, today I was talking about how to work consistently in our any topic, any field. So guys, today I was talking this topic. So guys, work consistently is a very difficult, but you can work consistent. This consistency give you more and more success in your field. So guys, the consistency build the power of your success. So any consistency you can build in your life, you just follow some steps. The steps was, first, you have a proper time to do your work, and second, the you don't excuse to delay your work and not doing your work, because you do excuse to delay and not do your work, the work was not doing, so your consistency break there. So I record this English video per day consistently, and my work was get paid me, because first day my video was no view, second day my video was some views, third day some more views, and fourth day my first channel subscriber in subscribe my channel, and fifth, sixth and seventh day the second channel subscribe my subscriber, and today I was 3 subscriber in my channel. So guys, you do consistently work in your work, you get paid off. So consistency, not any magic or not any formula, so I give you and you use and work consistently. Consistency is a work that repeat and repeat and repeat you doing, so you have no motion, no emotion, just doing work. You just doing work and no excuse, no delay your work, so you do consistently. So guys, now I was talking about yesterday I watched a movie Zootopia 2. So now I watch explain how I watch this movie, and what language I watch this movie, and some review of this movie, and some explanation of this movie. Some explanation I am doing this Zootopia movie. So first starting, I watch Zootopia movie in my mobile, that was I download through internet, and I watch this movie in English, completely English, no any Hindi. I was doing this that movie I completely watch in English. So movie was some movie I watch some movie I watch some movie I watch some movie I watch what kind of word say the movie was educated. No, these words are different. My mind flash here, but I can't properly watch this word. What word? The word was the word anything. Some movie was I educate, and other movie you just educate. Some movie was I educate, and other movie was bounce my head. So I explain the educated movie, and bounce movie I don't mind, so please forget that movie. So starting the Zootopia movie, a rabbit and a fox. There was a buddies in this movie, and they was cops in this movie. So a snack family in Zootopia movie, and a tiger family. The tiger family was villain in this movie, and the snake family and two a rabbit and a fox buddies and snake family are the heroes of this movie. So the tiger family was the first I say snake family was a build a Zootopia town. They make a map, a proper guide book, and they hand over to the tiger family. Because of the tiger family very rich and very wealthy, so snake family's grand and grandfather write a book, proper maps, and the proper guide of the complete animals in one place, city map. So the first snake family complete, snake family's grandfather complete the guide and hand over the tiger family, and the guidebook first page of the right, and the proper authorized and proper copyright letter of these the snake family write and build write and map this complete Zootopia city. But the tiger family was evil. They crack the first copyright page of this guide, and they add some our copyright page in this guide, and kill the venom injection through the snake and kill the venom through the snake families some member. This was not a member, this was a working in the tiger family. That was a listening and watch the crack snake families copyright and add some copyright. So the tiger family was no, this was a victim, I doing this crime, so I killed them, and there was no victim, and then I killed the snake. So the tiger family inject a venom through a turtle that was a victim of the crime. So the tiger family inject the venom through the turtle, and the turtle was die. And then they fire on snake family's house, and the snake was run away and go to anywhere. So the copyright and the guide was a complete was the tiger family, and the rabbit and the fox and the snake family's grandchild. The grandchild was the hero of this family. They are find the correct copyright of original snake family, and then show off the old Jupatia members and new channels. So the snake family are eligible to achieve their gratitude and their authorization of these maps. So the movie all around here, and some action in this movie I example some some scene. The one scene I was watching the rabbit and the folks are going a richest party in the Jupatia town. So they are going through a undercover. So they are just grab the Jupatia map diary. The diary was showcase the party through the Jupatia festival. So the fox and the rabbit was achieved the copies, and many guards of guarding the books, but suddenly the fox saw a snake was crawling and go through the Jhumars that was called Jhumars, the lighting a diamond, collect many diamond, attached a lighting ball that call India in Jhumars, the Jhumars. And then the chief guard of the police say there was a venomous snake in Jupatia, because so I end the explanation here, because my mind was very headaching. So I am talking about some other topics, because I thinking in English and thinking also in the movies. My mind was very confused and was very cluttered, so please understand. So now please read some page of the word power dictionary. So yesterday I was read some topics that was here. Yes, here yesterday I read the last word. So today I read this page. So how to use the book for maximum benefits. This is not reading book. Don't read these books. Instead, work with it. Write in it. Talk around to it. Talk back to it. Use your pen or pencil, your voice note, just your eye and mind. Real learning goes on only through active practice. When a new word occurs in the chapter, say it around the phonetic spelling will help you pronounce it correctly. When you do the matching exercise. Use a pen or pencil. Write your response. Check the key that immediately follow each exercise. After you have filled in all the answer, when you do the yes, no, true, false or some opposites exercise, use your pen or pencil to indicate the appropriate response. Then check with the key when you have completed the whole exercise. When you are asked to fill in words that fit definition, write your answer, then check the keyboard to see if you have responded with the right word, and also to make sure your spelling is correct. When you do the review of etymology exercise, make sure to fill in the English word containing the prefix, root and suffix required. Use a word from the chapter or any other word that come to mind. Coin new word if you like. Pay special attention to the chapter review. Are the word still fresh in your mind? Do you remember the meaning of each root? The system of pronunciation symbol will thoroughly explained in section 2 of this chapter. So guys, today video was end here, and thank you for watching this complete video and goodbye. Thank you.